Can you say it?
I like liver. Beef liver.
Okay.
Do you?
With onions and mustard.
Can you
Oh,
say
I
sweet?
can't hardly choke it
Peekaboo.
That's the kind of stuff I ate when I was with my grandpa.
Oh, really? Peekaboo.
He liked to fry chicken too.
Say, I see you.
That's why they didn't get food poisoning.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
You say cool.
Her mouth's full.
down. A serious case of Frank here.
Frankenstein. Is that true? Your hair?
Got shrimp grease in it.
Oh.
And poked herself in the eye.
Whoops.
Silly one. Silly one.
Say, peekaboo. Be careful. Yeah, your eyes. Be careful. You need a drink?
Did I tell you, Mom, I'm just dying of thirst.
Jen, is that video taken? Huh?
Yeah. Is it
Well, we should have done the, did you get the itsy bitsy?
Part of it. Not all of it.
You want to do it again?
Yeah, if you want to, she'll do it.
Okay, get ready.
Is it Sam's son? Flip?
Hey.
Ready, do it, just do it.
Right.
Do it. Put your hands up.
See spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out.
Ready, this time.
Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
So you guys,
You cheated. You didn't
that's
do it.
because you guys are all good.
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
She should have recorded it the first time.
That first
She did
time was
perfect.
great.
Yeah.
So she knows it. She's just not doing it. That's all.
Boo.
God. What a jovial girl.
Gotta get it.
God.
How many teeth does she have right now? This is
What? Have her fist in her mouth. Oh, she's got teeth. Jeez.
well, yesterday, those, like the green things, walnuts over there by that dog, she had 2 of them in one hand.
I know it's stuff she can pick up. It's unbelievable.
She had 2 of those in one hand.
Yeah, I know. I saw her pick up something the other day. I thought, God, she shouldn't be.
She's
able
gonna
to
go
pick
out on
that up.
dates with